वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसली सावूद आनी भलायकेन. सो हियर आय एम अगेन with a brownie which is gluten-free brownie, that is no maida, no wheat flour, no atta, and what I'm going to use instead is, so you have to note down. And brownie is such a thing that our daughter and my husband loves it. I'm okay with brownies, but yeah, they love it. So let's make another recipe of brownie. So instead of flour, this is almond flour with seeds. Okay, so you get two types of flour, seedless and with seed. So I'm using with seed, so it's very easy. Take almonds and grind it and you will get a flour. So this is 1 cup of measurement. Measurements are easily available on Amazon. Then this is 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar also. Then this is around 1/3 cup of powdered milk powder. Okay, and these are few I've taken. It's like less than half cup of walnuts. Then we need 2 eggs, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 75 gram of dark chocolate, and we need some around 25 grams of butter, salted butter, little bit of vanilla essence, and 1/4 cup of our cocoa powder. Any companies you can use. I am using this Cadbury one. Then I will be adding some coffee to give a coffee flavor too. So first thing, these are the dry ingredients and wet ingredients. So wet ingredients will be eggs and all. So, and this is my chocolate and butter, which is double boil melted. So let's keep this aside. Now we'll sieve our all dry ingredients. Cocoa powder, thought of just making, I've not seen this recipe, but yes, came in my mind. I do watch reels and all sometime, which is trending, and sweet dishes are such which are trending very often. We'll see this also, we'll see this also, half teaspoon. So measurements are very important when you are measuring this baking powder, baking soda and all that flours. So it's easily available on Amazon. Check my links. Pinch of salt, little bit of salt, and our coffee powder. Preheat your oven for 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we have to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees. So sieve all this nicely. And here today our daughter is free little bit, so she is also into her brownies, helping me. And now we can do our wet also ready. So in this I will add our eggs, 2 eggs. Room temperature. Add our sugar in this. And little few drops of vanilla essence. Now we'll mix this eggs and all wet ingredients. Now keep half cup of milk or 1/4 cup of milk if it is needed. Okay, if it is needed, then we can add half cup of warm milk. Mix this all nicely. So I will add this warm milk in this, like around a half cup, and mix this again nicely before adding it to the dry ingredients. So keep your baking tray ready, and if you want to apply butter, oil, grease it nicely. This time I am trying my brownie to bake in glass proof. Tray. So this is done, and now we will mix this in this. Mix all this nicely. Mix nicely, 8 shape, round shape, but in one movement. Now we'll pour this in this and let it go for baking for 25 to 30 minutes. You have to check if it comes smooth, your knife or toothpick when you insert, then it's done. So I will tell you because I have never tried without flour. So this is the first time I am trying, and let's see how it comes. Okay, and we will add our walnuts. She wants to do today. Whoever loves brownie, they know how it is. Don't like to waste anything. Tap this. You want to see what the brownie lovers are doing? Eating, licking. Yeah, she always does that. So it's gone for baking now. So I have kept it on 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And the oven was preheated. I'll show you the result later. So here our brownie is nicely baked. And now we will take it out. And we will nicely cut it as per you want. It's hot actually. So now we'll cut it how we want. And serve it hot. Gluten-free, moist, yummy ब्राउनी इज रेडी. थँक्यू सो मच. म्हणता तुम्ही करून खातेले विदाउट मैदा, विदाउट फ्लावर, विदाउट wheat flour. Try this recipe. Thank you.
Enjoy.
And here it is. Lovely, yummy, and tasty brownie.
Yummy.